Want to simplify your shipping workflow and ship items faster? Try Shipbridge. Shipbridge is Sellercloud's solution for the everyday shipping tasks of your e-commerce business. Shipbridge imports orders from all the channels you sell on into a single interface where your team can focus only on shipping. Let your team set the package weight, choose the desired carrier and shipping service, change product dimensions, and more. Shipbridge integrates natively with both Sellercloud and Skustack, so information is always available and in sync. Nothing gets lost along the way. With Shipbridge, you can easily import all orders you must fulfill, generate shipping labels, and view all rush and non-rush orders so you can know which orders need to be shipped with priority. Shipbridge offers a wide variety of ways in which it can be customized to meet your needs. Want to view specific orders based on custom filters? We've made sure you can use your pre-existing Sellercloud saved searches and quickly filter the orders you need. Need end-of-day forms? Shipbridge lets you generate and print a summary of all your shipped orders for the day for each carrier service. Speed up your shipping. Simply scan the first item you need to ship, and Shipbridge will find the first available order. You're using multiple shipping stations? No problem. Shipbridge supports different stations and locations so that you can ship your orders from multiple shipping computers, and you track from which station and user they were shipped. All orders can be quickly shipped via USPS, FedEx, UPS, and many more, without ever leaving the Shipbridge interface. Our built-in logic can also help you select the cheapest rate, regardless of carrier. Need even more customizations like shipping rules or custom invoices? We've got you covered. Take advantage of our vast array of custom plugins, or let us build one, specifically for you. Maximize your efficiencies and profits with Shipbridge.